Let's start by creating a new project. To do this, we can click Create New Project, or we can describe what we want and AI will take care of the rest. Let's say AI World Models and the Evolution of Gaming, and click Research. This will create a new dashboard for our project as a starting point and pre-populate it with research, notes, tasks, news articles, social media insights, videos, and more. You can upload files in the Data tab, brainstorm in the Notes tab, track progress in the Tasks tab, generate content in the Assets tab, gather insights in the SEO tab, schedule social media posts in the Posts tab, or start a campaign in the Email tab. Let's generate an email to go out to our subscribers while we're in the Email tab. And just like that, we have an email that we can send out to our email list. Let's make it our own using the drag-and-drop email builder. When we're happy with it, we can prepare our campaign by clicking Send. This will open a window where you can connect your email provider, choose between a single recipient or subscriber list, and either send it instantly or schedule it for a specific date and time. If we ever feel stuck and need some ideas, we can go to the Inspo tab where we'll find images, videos, and social posts all rooted in our project's ethos. On our bottom right, we have our AI assistant, which has context awareness of all updates made to our project in real time. We can ask it anything, and it will give us an answer based on everything in our project. It can also generate assets, control the dashboard, edit documents, schedule emails, post to social media, and even browse the web for you. Just type or ask using your voice. I just generated this cover for our project, which I will now ask it to convert into a video. While we wait for our video to finish generating, let's post our image to social media. We'll come into our Assets tab and select it. Before sharing, I'm going to edit it to get the design I'm looking for. I'll simply tell it to change the purple to green and make it light mode, and hit Apply Edit. Now let me write a caption, and select the platforms I want this to go out to. FreshFront supports posting to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, LinkedIn, and Facebook all at the same time with one click without leaving your project. Let's head over to IG. Great, our image was posted successfully. Now I'll go check on my video. Our project is looking a bit empty since all we have is what the AI generated initially. Let's start a new research session to gather relevant information from the internet. We can choose a suggestion, pick a draft, or click New Research to start from scratch. We'll start with a draft. Deep research sessions can take anywhere from 5 to 25 minutes. You can leave and come back to it at any time. I will leave this running in the background while I visit another project. Let's check out an existing research session from our 2025 Print-on-Demand Market Study project. Each research session is unique, with modular interactive widgets that help you grasp complex topics. Let's play the audio overview.
This comprehensive research report synthesizes multi-phase findings on the print-on-demand (POD) industry, focusing on the critical roles of product quality perception and customer reviews in driving repeat purchases. It delves into market size, growth trends, key players, technological advancements, and pervasive challenges, providing a holistic view of an evolving sector. The analysis integrates market data, academic insights, and real-world examples to offer a deep understanding of current dynamics and future outlook for POD businesses.
As we scroll down, you'll notice we have a bunch of material, including a YouTube playlist with an analysis.
I just got an order for 36 items, totaling $1,400.
Nice.
Thank you, Principal.
Philly Goat is the world's greatest online store for Philadelphia apparel. It's a store that I created with my two brothers. We grew up right outside of the Philadelphia area.
I just switched to dark mode for variation. Let's head over to the Map tab within the report. The Map tab allows you to jot out the ideas in your head surrounding the research and connect key insights to branch out new ones. You can doodle, create shapes, write, merge media, and more. Everything you do here updates the project in real time, so you can refer to something you created in the mind map, and the AI will know exactly what you're talking about. Let's take a quick look at themes within the dashboard. You have standard light and dark mode toggles, but if you keep clicking, you will cycle through various colors. Your calendar is the place to manage all your scheduled email campaigns and social media posts, as well as Google Calendar and Google Meet video calls. Let's add some context to our project by going into the Data tab and importing a video from Google Drive. Alternatively, you can upload directly from your device. Let's check out this video we just imported from Drive.
Light, sound, space, time, frequency, force. What is it that drives us forward? Is it the heart's desire?
Study. All right, let's dive into this POD market study.
AI is a strategic advantage, but only to those who strategically take advantage of it. Stack sources, build your database, and turn insights into PDFs, videos, websites, and products that you can.
Neat. Moving along, I want to showcase this cool note feature that allows you to select any region of text and quickly get further insight you can work with. Just highlight, type, and click. The Note tab has its own map that you can enter, start moving things around, and find those hidden gems that really make you dig. Let's create some assets. We'll go to the PDF tab within Assets and simply say, Generate a market overview based on the research. We'll set the number of pages to 6 and hit Generate. As you can see, the previews of each page within the PDF waterfalls as it completes. Once complete, we can view the PDF by clicking on it within our Assets PDF library. You can also generate full tables and sheets. Simply describe the table you want to generate, and AI will use real-time web search as well as its prospecting database to fulfill your requests. In this example, we will ask it to create a table of relevant dropshipping companies, which we can then export as CSV, save to Google Sheets, or use in an email campaign. And just like that, we have a list of dropshipping companies that we can visualize or even reach out to. Let's download as a CSV and save to Google Sheets. There it is in our Google Sheets table. Anything we do here will be instantly reflected in our FreshFront project and vice versa. In products, we can productize our assets with Stripe and attach them to the websites and emails we generate. Let's go to the Forms tab and create a lead funnel. I'll call this Merchant Leads. For the prompt, I'll say, create a modern Apple-like lead funnel for recruiting merchants who want to sell print-on-demand products. Now I'll attach any images I want in the form. I'll add the fields for the form and add options. This will be the information that is recorded to the lead submission. Once I'm happy with all the fields, I'll click Generate Lead Form. A preview will render as it generates. Looks like it's done. Let's open it in a new tab and make a test submission. Coming back to the dashboard, we can find our submission in the Captured Leads section. We can export it as CSV or send an email to specific lead groups. We can also generate and edit websites. Let's edit this website we generated based on our project. I'll simply describe the edits I want to make and hit apply. We can review the changes before confirming. When you're happy with your website, you can share it publicly and add a custom domain to it. Next, we'll generate a video overview based on the research in our project. Ensure you are on the Overview tab and describe the type of video you want. These videos have dynamically generated backgrounds with realistic talking avatars. They have context of your project and will be speaking a generated script based on what you type in here. We'll keep this one simple and say, an explainer video based on the research. We'll select the number of slides we want and hit Generate.
This 2025 print-on-demand market study aims to uncover key trends and patterns. Our goal is to provide actionable insights for future product development. The global POD market is experiencing explosive growth, projected to reach over $59 billion by 2033. This expansion is driven by consumer demand and e-commerce growth. Product quality and positive reviews are crucial for repeat purchases. Consumers increasingly demand personalization, with 81%.
Nice. I might just schedule that to YouTube later on. Video is #1 in marketing. And with all the AI slop, reduced attention spans, instant gratification, and overstimulation on social media, I think informative videos like this are going to get way more valuable. Let's generate a podcast. We'll use 2 speakers, describe the podcast we want to generate, select the style, choose the length, and click Generate.
Welcome back to the Future Forward podcast. I'm Alex, your lead analyst for the 2025 POD market study, and today we're diving deep into some truly groundbreaking findings.
And I'm Sarah, excited to help unpack this for our listeners. Alex, the buzz around print on demand, or POD, is incredible right now. Our first theme is market explosion. Can you give us the big picture on the projected growth globally and right here in Canada?
Absolutely, Sarah. Imagine the POD market not as a gentle stream, but as a rapidly expanding river that's about to burst its banks. Globally, we're seeing an astonishing trajectory. From an estimated $9.4 to $11.5 billion in 2024, the market is projected to skyrocket to a staggering $59.4 to $82.9 billion by 2023-2024. Think of that as a digital gold rush with a compound annual growth rate ranging from 20.89% to 20%.
That was a pretty good audio overview. This was the basic fundamentals of the FreshFront platform. The rest of this video will be sped up as I gather some social media insights, automate web browsing, and look for some inspiration to add to the project. Enjoy!